Hi and welcome everybody to a new episode on Valentine's Photo Paradise. Today we are going to take a look at the Rollei Prego Zoom autofocus. I'm going to show you how to load film, how to unload film, and some of the functions of the camera. So let's get to it. Here we got the camera. It is a beautiful 35mm point and shoot camera with a Schneider Kreuznach lens on it. So the first thing we're going to do is put in a battery right here. It takes these really nice CR123A photo batteries. Just close it up. There we go. Press the on switch. Here we go. Now the camera turned on. As we can see, the display is showing something. And we can load film by opening the back, just like that. Taking a roll of film. Putting a little bit of film onto the right side, closing it, and there we go. Okay, see? Now it's we can see this E is blinking, standing for error, and this loading symbol is blinking too, so something went wrong. So I'm gonna feed it just a little bit more film and see what it does. There we go. Now we're on one. So as I said, this is the on and off switch. This right here is your shutter button. So if you press it, you should be able to take a picture. As we can see here, the flash symbol was blinking, so I think it was charging. There we go. The film is automatically being wound, and yeah, right here we have a tele option and a wide option. So this is our zoom control. As you can see, if I press tele, it's gonna zoom out. If I press wide, the lens is gonna be retracted. Right here we have our different flash options, so we can go from flash into red eye mode. I don't even know what that mode is, like a sunny flash mode, I guess. Fill in flash, long-term exposure, fill in flash, red eye mode. So we have this is the flash off, long-term exposure. So we have a lot of different flash modes. Then here we have a snap mode, which just allows us to take quick pictures, just like so. And here we can go into different modes. So we have a self timer mode, a 2-second self timer mode. I don't know, back to the flash mode. So I don't really use those, but the main functions I would say are these on the side and the flash functions right here. So let's say you've taken a bunch of shots. Right now we have the self timer activated, which is something that I don't really want to do. So I'm gonna try to deactivate it. We've taken a bunch of shots, and for some reason you feel like you want to take out the film before you finish the roll because you want to shoot it in a different camera, or you feel like shooting black and white all of a sudden and you've just been shooting color. So what you have to do is take a pointy object like these scissors and just press in right here, and you can see and hear the film is being rewound, and you should be good to go. It should be back in the cartridge, just like so. This is also how you take out the roll of film, just by opening the back right here and taking your film out. One more thing that I forgot to mention is this little button right here. As you can see, it has a little infinity symbol on it. So as you're taking a picture and you're pressing the button, it's going to automatically focus on infinity. That's it pretty much. This was how to load and unload film into a Rollei Prego Zoom, and also some of the main functions. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm glad you took the time to join. I hope I was helpful to some of you. If you bought this camera, congratulations. I think it is a beautiful camera, except these colors on these two buttons, but you know, some people might like them. And yeah, it has a nice Schneider Kreuznach lens. And yeah, stay tuned for more. I'm gonna be doing reviews and stuff like that. So take care everybody, have a wonderful day, and go out and shoot some film.